Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're going to do a lovely card. It's called the Maze card. Let me show you how it works. Get the ribbon off. It opens. Different sizes, different surprises. Ta-da! Isn't that great? I made it for teacher appreciation because teachers need to be appreciated. I used to teach Montessori for 7 years and I know how that goes. So let's get started. I use the new set that's coming out in the brand new catalog that starts on May 4th, 2021. It's called Beauty of Friendship, and it's a photopolymer set that has matching dies called the Beautiful Trees dies. And what's unique about these photopolymers coming out in the new catalog is the image is actually printed on the liner for the stamp, so you can actually see where all your stamps fit and match them up and make sure you have them all. So let's get started. Start with some cardstock. I have the measurements written here so you can pause, and I also have it in my blog. But basically what you're doing is getting different color cardstock, and you're cutting it incrementally smaller. So the first one's 8.5 by 4 1/4, then 8 by 4, etc. But each width is where you're actually scoring. So that's why I wrote that there. So basically, let's get started. I'll start with the largest piece, and I'm going to fold it along the score using my scoring bone folder. Then the second one, do the same thing. You're going to fold, and then each time that you place it in the card, you're going to go in a circle. So this one's opening this way, so then you're going to turn this way. So I'm going to get my handy dandy Stampin' Seal with my T on the top so I know where to put the lid back. And basically you're putting the adhesive here and matching it, making sure it's centered, and then you open it. Then you do the same thing the next time. Except this time you're going to go this way. Yeah, so it takes some practice when you're doing it, but I love the end result in terms of having a card combination gift, so they're actually kind of opening it. So you're going to go this way here, and also you can always leave a spot for a gift card. That would be a nice surprise. So always practice before you go. So lay it down to make sure that's where you want it. Put the adhesive on there, because the maze part of it is as it goes in a kind of in a circle, I would say. So this one will go here. And the colors I used here were Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, and Crushed Curry. I thought they were complementary colors that you can use. Let's see, this one will go here. So the adhesive goes here. And you can use, I use 3, you can use 4. I have another sample that I'll show you in a second where I use 4 different colors. And it looks just as nice. So it just depends on what colors you want to use. Alright, so center. I guess keeping it folded is nice too, so you can actually see it. And then the last one, it's going to go here, so the adhesive. There you go. Get that started. Come on. There you go. Alright, so. Okay. So open that up. And then I have all my embellishments ready to go and stamped ready for you. So I'll start with the inside. I stamped "You're So Fabulous" right here. And then this one is, whoops, sorry. Here's the "Celebrating You." And then we have this lovely tree. That you can stamp and die. And that's just one stamp. Okay, and then some wood grain. It's an accent, and you're welcome to write on it if you'd like. Whatever you'd like to do. Decorate more if you prefer. And of course, because this is an appreciation card, I had to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And some more accents. And another sentiment to appreciate. And this one says, "Thanks not only for what you do, but for being someone special." And I'll do another sentiment here. I mean, a DSP. There you go. We're almost there. Okay, and then another DSP. A little splash of color. Another inspiration. You truly inspire me. I used to scrapbook a lot, so this reminds me of making scrapbooks. And another DSP here. Give me a little sneak peek on the double-sided it. Thanks for all you do. One more on this side. This one you can sign, I figured. Or put their name on there. Alright, one more tree to keep up with the theme. And then on the cover, I cut out the tree and some birds. I thought that was cute. Bring it all together. It's a little long, so we'll just trim that in a second. And the sentiment just for you. Maybe kind of come over here. There's my snips. And then use the ribbon. I used about, I think about 16 inches there. Then you can just tie it. And like I said, what's really cool is it's a combination gift because they're opening it in a card. You could also slip probably a pocket. I thought about that later. And maybe slip in a little gift card for them as a thank you. And then here's another one that I was telling you about. It's more of a pyramid card because it doesn't twist like this one does. So let me show you that one. So this one, same measurements. I think I went to 9 because this one has 3 colors. Yep. So 9 different sizes. So it opens, and each one opens a different surprise. There's 3. There's 4. There's 5. 6. There's a bonus one. 7. 8. And 9 for your last sentiment. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for letting me share this with you. Please like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel. And you can also find me at Sharing It With You on Facebook and Instagram. Have a great day.